Example 6.3. An object is placed at a distance of 20 cm from a concave mirror of focal length 15 cm. At what distance from the mirror a screen should be placed to get a sharp image? What is the nature of the image? Now what is given is an object is placed at a distance of 20 cm from a concave mirror. So your object distance is minus 20 centimeter. It is from the concave mirror. Okay. And here, and the focal length is minus 15 centimeter. Okay. This is according to the sign conventions we are writing. Now what we have to find it out is, what is the distance from the mirror a screen should be placed to get a sharp image? We have to get the object image. We have to get the what? Object distance. Okay. So now first we will go for finding the object distance. So to find out the object distance, I am going for writing the mirror equation. So what is the mirror equation? 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Okay. So I can rewrite this equation as 1 by V is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U. Okay. Now I am going to substitute the values. 1 by V is equal to 1 by minus 15 minus 1 by minus 20. Now taking the LCM here, that is 300. Okay. So this is minus 20 minus of minus 15. Which can be written as, here it is, minus 5 by 300, which can be minus 1 by 60. So 1 by V is equal to minus 1 by 60. So V is equal to minus 60 centimeter. Okay. So V is at a distance 60 centimeter to the left of the concave mirror. So this is also, the image is also in the left of the concave mirror. Now, we have to find out the nature of the image. So, for that we are going to find it out, the magnification. Magnification M is equal to H dash by H, which is nothing but minus V by U. Okay. So, we can write M is equal to minus V. Minus V is minus 60 by U is minus 20. Okay. So it is minus of minus 60. V is minus 60, U is minus 20. Already in the formula there is a minus. So it is 60 by minus 20. So nothing but this is what? Minus 3. So here the magnification is also what? Negative. So M is negative value. Okay. So what we can say, the image is inverted. The image is what? Inverted. Okay. So what is the value of the magnification? The magnification is 3. Okay. So we can write the image is enlarged 3 times. How many times? 3 times. The image is formed to the left of the concave mirror. Because we have a minus value. So we can write the image is real. So we have got the nature of the image. The image is an inverted image. It is enlarged 3 times and it is a real image.